Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So Windows 11 stuck in dark mode. So how to fix? Firstly guys, we want to restore the corrupted file to done this issue. So click to start button, type cmd and right click to run as administrator and then yes. So guys, I have a 4 command to type and restore your corrupted file. Okay. So guys, this is 4 command. You one by one enter. When one finish, so you enter second finish, third finish, fourth. So this command I will give you in description. So you one by one enter. Then guys, you second solutions. Then guys, again second solution is click to start button, go to setting, then accessibility, accessibility, then click to contact theme and select now. If you want to have a dark, so dark, you just click to dark and then apply it. So please wait few minutes. Then guys, change from here, and this is actually here lot of the themes are available. You select and then apply. Okay, then again to home screen, come to home screen, then personalizations, then color, then choose your mode and color also. If you want custom color also you have available. So this is mode, you can select dark and custom.